Class, we have a new student joining us today. Please give a warm welcome to Liam. This is Liam.
Hi. He looks weird. Yeah, totally.
Let's be kind.
Don't sit there.
He is strange. He looks sad. Maybe I should talk to him. Hi. Hi. I'm Ethan. I'm Liam. Do you like school? Not really. It gets better. You can use mine. Thank you.
Why is he talking to him?
I don't know, maybe they're friends now? Let's draw something. This is fun.
Sometimes one small act of kindness changes everything.
Let's sit here. You are nice. Thanks.
Good teamwork. All right, class. For this next activity, I want you to work in pairs.
Let's team up. Whoa, look at them go. You know, maybe he is nice. I know the answer.
Great job, Liam.
Sorry, Liam. It's okay.
Hi, I'm Emma. Do you want to sit with us at lunch?
Really? Thanks. What if we had a dragon right here?
Ooh, with purple scales.
See? It's better. Thank you, Ethan.
Kindness changed everything.
Great work today.
That was fun! Yes! See you tomorrow. Can we play tomorrow?
That's wonderful.
Bye, Liam. Bye, Ethan. I have friends now. Today was good. Thank you, Ethan.
It was a special day. The next day,
Hi, everyone. Hi, Liam. Let's play!
I'm proud of you all.
And then he tripped right over his own feet.
sometimes people feel left out. But kindness can change everything. Be kind to everyone. Everyone deserves a friend. Be kind, be brave, be a good friend.
Come play with us! Yes! Pass the ball! This is fun! You're doing great!
This is wonderful.
Being kind makes the world better. Everyone deserves friendship.
Be kind. Be a good friend.